In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Beehiiv newsletter design. Let's start from your main Beehiiv dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the home screen where you can see your publications, recent posts, and analytics. From here, look for the option that says Start Writing. This is your entry point into creating or editing a newsletter. Click Start Writing, and you'll be taken to the template library. Here, Beehiiv shows you different newsletter templates you can use as a starting point. Take a moment to scroll through and pick the one that best matches the structure or style you're aiming for. When you've decided, click on that template to open it in the editor. Inside the editor, you'll see placeholder text and sections. To make it your own, simply click on any text you want to change. A cursor will appear and you can start typing your own content just like in any document editor. Replace headlines, subheadings, and body copy with your own words so the newsletter reflects your brand and message. Next to each section, you'll see a plus icon. Click that plus icon to add new elements into your newsletter. You can insert things like bulleted lists, columns, buttons, tables, images, and additional sections. This is how you build out a more complex layout. For example, adding a call to action button under a paragraph, or dropping in an image between two sections of text. Now, to really customize the look and feel, click on the Style option in the editor. Inside the Style panel, you'll see a Basic tab. This is where you control the overall appearance. Open the Colors dropdown. Here you can adjust the outside background, the post background, and the text that sits on those backgrounds. You can also change your primary and secondary colors, as well as link colors. It's a good idea to match these to your brand colors so your newsletter feels consistent with your website and social media. Next, open the typography dropdown. This is where you set the font family and font weight for your headings and paragraphs. Choose fonts that are clean and readable on both desktop and mobile. Avoid using too many different fonts. Usually one for headings and one for body text is enough. Then click on the spacing dropdown. Here you can fine-tune margins and padding. Adjusting spacing helps your content breathe and prevents your newsletter from feeling cramped. Small tweaks to margins and padding around sections can significantly improve readability. You'll also find a borders dropdown. Use this to change border thickness and corner radius. For example, you might give your content blocks a subtle border or rounded corners to create a softer, more modern look. When you're ready for more control, switch to the Advanced tab. You'll land in a background editing section where you can change the background color, padding, radius, margin, borders, and their colors in more detail. This lets you treat different areas of the email differently, instead of using just one global style. Within the Advanced area, you'll see options for email header, body, widgets, and email footer. Click on Email Header to customize the styling at the very top of your newsletter. Then click on Body to adjust how the main content area looks. Under Widgets, you can edit each widget individually, so elements like recommendation blocks or special sections can have their own spacing or borders if needed. Finally, click on Email Footer to customize the footer area, including colors, text, and any elements you want to show there. Once you're happy with everything, your customized Beehiiv newsletter design is ready to go.